Hey guys, greatest of all time videos are really trending nowadays, so I decided to do the same on the best ever exfoliating products which are available in India, which I think are the best in terms of their quality, packaging, pricing, and the overall experience. So if you are curious about the products that I'm going to mention, then stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Maitrayee Halder. I do make a lot of beauty and skincare related content mixed with a couple of contents that I really like. So if you are into that genre, then do consider subscribing and hitting on that bell notification to get notified every time I upload. Also, do not forget to follow me in my social media platforms where I'm the most active and you get to be a part of what goes into my videos, including my Instagram where I do a couple of live sessions to answer back to all of your skincare or other concerns. Coming on to the products, I have 4 serums and 1 toner. I'm going to mention the toner first. This is from Plum and this is their blueberry and PHA 3% toner. It has a lot of fruit extract. In terms of PHA, it has gluconolactone, which is one of my favorite PHAs, and it also has blueberry extract. It also has aloe leaf juice. And overall, the reason why I am suggesting this product, because if you are a beginner and you are really starting off with your chemical exfoliation journey, toners are the best in terms of that. Toners do really take care of the exfoliation as well as it doesn't irritate your skin. If you want an AHA based product and AHA irritates you, then PHA is your best bet, because PHAs were especially made for like sensitive skin and the sensitization that you get from AHAs. PHAs are your best bet. This particular product is very lightweight, doesn't stings at all, and it is very beginner friendly too. In terms of the pricing, it costs about 420 rupees for 150 ml. It is super affordable. All of the products are fragrance free and will be listed in the bottom box below, so don't worry. You can easily apply this, pat it over, or you can apply it on a cotton pad. Most of the times I will suggest you to wait for at least 2-3 minutes before going into any kind of serums, because it is a PHA and it takes a little bit more time than your traditional AHAs to work. So yeah, just leave it for about like 2-3 minutes and then put on your serum or moisturizer or anything. Coming on to the next product, which is a combination of not only salicylic acid or a BHA plus niacinamide. This is from Deconstruct Skincare and this is a pore control serum, but this is amazing for your pores. Niacinamide is known to control your sebum, while salicylic acid unclogs your pores, so it's a very nice combination. If you have a lot of pore problems, blackhead issue, whitehead issue, this can help you a lot. Previously it used to come in 2 sizes, but now you can only get the traditional 30 ml size. Cost something was 699 rupees. Has salicylic acid and niacinamide and a bunch of skin soothers. Very lightweight serum, mostly all skin type friendly, but as always, do a patch test and use it. Pretty much use it both day and night, but if you are a beginner, start with using only at the night time. And obviously, if you are using any kind of chemical exfoliation or anything, use a sunscreen. Even if you are not applying any kind of chemical exfoliation, just use a sunscreen. The next product is again a salicylic acid based serum from Pulp, and this is their X Acne serum. The best sensitive skin friendly salicylic acid product out there, hands down. It is amazing. If you apply it overnight on a cystic acne, it will reduce the redness, it will reduce the inflammation, and it also helps to recover it. I am in love with this. Slightly expensive though. For 1000 rupees or 899 rupees you get about 30 ml, but Pulp products are so high in quality, plus the packaging is so cute. But it does has Gotukola, Centella asiatica, salicylic acid, niacinamide, 3 of the amazing actives out there. Centella asiatica calms your skin down, salicylic acid exfoliates it, and also niacinamide. I can sit down all day and discuss about niacinamide and how amazing it is. If you are curious about niacinamide and the gazillion different properties that niacinamide has, you can hop into my actives and skincare playlist, see the video on niacinamide, and you will get to know more about it. But yeah, this serum is amazing. This is the only serum, a salicylic acid based serum, that didn't give me any form of irritation even on the first week of usage. I loved it. Coming on to another salicylic acid based serum, but it is more sensitive skin friendly. Particular serum from Roposo is my favorite serum. Any form of acne, especially milia or comedone related problems, this is amazing because it does as LHA, a more gentler version of salicylic acid. This is amazing product. Slightly expensive though. For 15 ml you pay something about 1499 rupees, but the quality is amazing. Roposo products are so high in quality. I wish the pricing was a little bit more affordable and more people could try it. They always comes with cute stickers so you can decorate it. If you feel like salicylic acid serums are not really working great as an overall serum, what you can do is apply them as a spot treatment. They reduce the inflammation of the acne overnight. If you have acne, then you must have seen that sometimes it becomes red and it heats up, and if you apply this, it cools down your skin immediately. Cooling down the temperature of your skin is a really big concern, and many products are available out there that can really help you with that and helps the overall skin condition. Coming on to the last product, which is the most highest concentrate of actives that I'm going to mention, but this is the holy grail of mine. This one from Minimalist, it's the AHA PHA BHA 32%, which has 25% of alpha hydroxy acid, 5% of polyhydroxy acid, and 2% of beta hydroxy acid. Amazing exfoliant. Now this is not a serum, this is actually a face mask or a exfoliating peel, so use it as a face mask. So after cleansing your skin, dry your skin completely, apply a thin layer avoiding the sensitive area around your eyes or your mouth, leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off. Always do exfoliating peels at the night time, and after doing this, just apply moisturizer and sleep off. You will see result with this in no time. It smoothens down your skin. The little bit of roughness that you have around your nose, it smoothens down because it is such a high concentration of actives. I would prefer you to do a patch test first and then use it. The 10% from Dot & Key that I tried, or the other exfoliating peels that I've tried, this one and the Deconstruct one are my favorite, but I prefer this over the Deconstruct one. I just love this. Plus they changed the packaging also. Minimalist products are super affordable. I think it costs something about 6.99 rupees for 30 ml. It will last you for more than 3-4 months. You are only going to use exfoliating peel like this about like 3 or 4 times a month, not more than that. I use only about 2 times a month, not more than that, because I am already using certain kinds of exfoliating products in my routine and I don't need a higher concentration of exfoliating peel on a weekly basis. If you are looking into exfoliating peels, this is, I think, the best choice according to my skin type, which is combination and sensitive. But yeah, you can give this one a go. Hey guys, this was my GOAT video or greatest of all time video in terms of chemical exfoliators available in India. If you want a similar version on any of other genres such as cleansers, moisturizers, serums, let me know in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye and take care.